How to fix Elementor editor not loading. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Elementor editor panel not loading. So first go to your dashboard and then click on plugins and then click on add new plugin. Here search for WP Optimize. Install now. Activate. Now on the left panel go to WP Optimize and then click on database. Now tick mark this and then click on run all selected optimization. So after all optimization your problem will be solved. So if this step doesn't work, then go to your Elementor and then click on tools. Go to settings, click on advanced and then switch editor loader method. Click to enable. Now scroll down and then click page changes. So after that refresh your page, then hope that your problem will be solved. So these are two ways you can solve Elementor editor not loading. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.